Welcome to this Japanese-inspired tiny home on wheels, a perfect blend of minimalism, elegance, and nature. With its wooden exterior and serene rock garden, this home embodies the essence of traditional Japanese aesthetic in a compact modern design. A narrow staircase gracefully leads to this entrance, inviting you into a space that feels both peaceful and functional. Surrounded by a lush green landscape, this tiny home offers a tranquil retreat on wheels. Ready to step inside and explore? Let's begin the tour. Step inside this beautiful Japanese inspired tiny home where minimalism meets functionality in a space that feels peaceful, elegant, and deeply connected to nature. Designed with a warm wooden interior, this home offers a serene retreat while maximizing every inch of space for comfort and practically. From the moment you enter, you will notice how natural elements, traditional Japanese aesthetic, and modern efficiency blend harmoniously, creating a home that is not only compact but also breathtaking beautiful. A warm and cozy interior, the wooden walls, floors, and ceiling bring an undeniable sense of warmth and tranquility to the space. The use of natural materials enhance the Japanese minimalism philosophy, where simplicity is key and every element serves a purpose. Large window frame the lush green landscape, inviting the beauty of nature indoors while providing an open and airy atmosphere. A compact yet functional kitchen, though small in size, the kitchen is designed with efficiency in mind, featuring a sleek wooden countertops, a compact stove, a deep sink, and built-in cabinets. This space allows for a seamless cooking experience without clutter. The minimalist approach ensuring that only essential items are present, keeping the space clean, organized, and practical. The living area is a space of simplicity and comfort, where a small yet cozy sofa sits perfectly by the window, offering a perfect spot for relaxing with tea while enjoying the scenic view outside. Right next to it, a compact minibar provides a touch of modern convenience with enough space to store beverage, tea sets, and small kitchen essential. This feature enhances the home's blend of traditional and contemporary lifestyle, making it a perfect space for quiet moments for relaxation. The single bed, nestled, nestled comfortably against the wooden walls, follows the Japanese approach to sleeping space, where simplicity and functionality are prioritized. The soft lighting and natural tones create a calm and inviting atmosphere, perfect for a restful night's sleep. Above, the loft bed provides an additional sleeping area designed for comfort and efficiency. The staircase leading up to the loft doubles as a built-in storage, ensuring that the home remains clutter-free while maximizing available space, whether it's used an extra sleeping area or a cozy reading book. The loft adds to the home's versatile functionality. One of the most striking features of this tiny home is how it embraces the beauty of the outdoors. The large window not only provides abundant natural light but also acts as a living painting, where the greenery outside becomes part of the home's ambience. Whether it's a gentle morning breeze or the calming sight of trees safe swaying, this connection with nature enhances the peaceful and meditative feel of the space. Tough, compact in size, this Japanese-inspired tiny home offers a sense of openness, tranquility, and warmth. Every detail from the wooden texture to the functional design is crafted with intention and balance, making it a home that feels both spacious and deeply connected to nature. The toilet is designed to be sleek, space efficient, seamlessly blending into the overall aesthetic of the room. The modern design ensures comfort while maintaining the bathroom's clean and uncluttered look. Next, we have the shower cabin enclosed in clear glass panel to maintain the openness of the space. The wooden flooring extends seamlessly into the shower area, enhancing the feeling of unity throughout the room. Taking a shower here feels like a calming, spa-like experience, surrounded by the natural warmth of wood and peaceful view of greenery. The wash basin is a test statement of Japanese minimalism, featuring a simple yet elegant design. Positioned on a wooden countertop, it provides just the right amount of space for daily essential without cluttering the room. Above it, a large mirror enhances the feeling of openness, reflecting both natural light and the serene surroundings. For ventilation, an exhaust fan is installed above the shower cabin, ensuring that the space remains fresh, dry, and free from excess moisture. This small but essential detail keeps the bathroom comfortable and airy even in a compact home. One of the most captivating features of this bathroom is the large window that frames the outdoor greenery. This connection to nature is deeply rooted in Japanese architecture, allowing you to experience calmness and mindfulness even in a simple daily routine, whether it's morning sunlight streaming in or the gentle rustling of leaves. This view makes the bathroom feel like naturally retreat rather than just a functional space. Though this tiny bathroom is compact, it feels expansive, luxurious, and peaceful, just like a traditional Japanese bathroom in a modern setting. Every detail from the wooden finish to the minimalism design, the- it's crafted to offer a sense of calm, balance, and relaxation. Okay, well, between the exterior and some of the interiors that I present just now, only focus on the theme of material and color composition. This does not mean that there is a correlation regarding the position of openings and a synchronized layout between the exterior and interior. However, this is the design inspiration that I present with the hope of being able to give all of you useful ideas and inspiration about the tiny home, especially for the layout. Okay, so what about your opinion? What about your mind about this content, about this video right now? Please type on the comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel. And thanks for watching until the end, guys, and have a good day.